It was a chilly morning in downtown Atlanta, and the courtroom buzzed with murmurs as Harry Peterson, a 35-year-old black father, sat at the defendant's table. Harry's expression was calm but resolute, dressed in a dark tailored suit with a light beard and mustache framing his determined face. He had been charged with an unpaid parking ticket, one he knew he never received. Judge Franklin Parker, a stern, middle-aged man with graying temples, presided over the case. Known for his no-nonsense demeanor, Parker had developed a reputation for being particularly harsh on minorities in his courtroom. "Mr. Peterson," the judge began, his tone sharp, "you've been accused of failing to pay a parking fine issued 2 months ago. How do you plead?" "Not guilty, Your Honor," Harry responded firmly. The prosecutor, a young, overeager attorney, presented the evidence. A grainy photograph of a car parked illegally. But the car wasn't Harry's. The license plate was partially obscured, and the make didn't match his vehicle. Harry's heart sank as he watched the prosecutor twist the narrative. Harry spoke eloquently in his defense, pointing out the discrepancies, but Judge Parker seemed disinterested. "Enough," Parker interrupted. "Mr. Peterson, your excuses don't hold water. You were cited, and the fine remains unpaid. I'm imposing a $500 fine, effective immediately." Gasps echoed in the courtroom. Harry remained composed, though his jaw tightened. "Your Honor," Harry said, standing tall, "I respect the court, but this decision is unjust. You've overlooked the facts and rushed to judgment." Parker leaned forward, his voice dripping with condescension. "Mr. Peterson, this court does not tolerate lectures from defendants. Pay the fine or face further penalties." Harry paused, his next words measured. "Your Honor, before I comply, may I request a moment to introduce myself properly?" Judge Parker rolled his eyes. "Make it quick." Harry turned to the gallery, his voice resonating with quiet authority. "My name is Harry Peterson. I'm a father, a mentor, and also the Attorney General of this state." The room fell silent. Judge Parker's face turned ashen. He stammered, I wasn't aware." Harry cut him off, his tone steady yet commanding. "Your Honor, you didn't bother to ask. Instead, you presumed my guilt without reviewing the evidence, simply because I look like countless others you've judged unfairly." The tension in the room was palpable. Harry continued, "As Attorney General, I've worked tirelessly to uphold justice, but today I've experienced the same bias and disrespect that countless others face in this courtroom." Judge Parker fidgeted nervously. "Mr. Peterson, I assure you, this was not intentional." Harry raised his hand, silencing him. "Your Honor, the issue isn't me. It's a system that allows prejudice to guide decisions. I won't pay a fine for a crime I didn't commit, and I'll ensure that no one else has to endure this kind of treatment in your courtroom." The judge, visibly shaken, cleared his throat. "In light of this revelation, I will reconsider the ruling and dismiss the charges." Harry nodded. "Thank you. But this isn't just about dismissal, it's about change. I'll be reviewing cases from this court to ensure fairness prevails moving forward." As Harry walked out of the courtroom, he was met with applause from the gallery. The news spread like wildfire, and within days Judge Parker faced scrutiny for his record. The story concluded with Harry addressing a press conference, his voice filled with resolve. "This isn't about a parking ticket. It's about justice. We must demand accountability from those in power, regardless of their position. Only then can we create a system that truly serves everyone." The audience was left reflecting on the pervasive biases in the justice system and inspired by Harry's bravery. The message was clear. Justice requires vigilance, and one voice can spark meaningful change. Don't forget to subscribe Story Time with Harry for more interesting stories. Thank you for watching.